Hello everyone, welcome back. Wish you all a very happy new year. Today we will make Afghani style chicken gravy. This dish goes equally well with rotis as well as rice varieties. Into the pan goes some sunflower oil. Here I have taken 2 small onions finely chopped. This goes in. Saute well until it turns slightly brown in color. Add about 8 garlic pods. This much of ginger, which comes to about 1.5 to 2 inches. 10 green chilies. Adjust according to your spice preference. Here I am adding 2 small bundles of coriander leaves, roughly chopped. Along with a handful of pudina leaves. Continue mixing until the leaves are done. Now add about 10 to 12 cashew nuts and switch the flame off. Once it cools down, blend this into a smooth paste and keep it aside for a while. Here I have taken about 1 kg of chicken. Into it goes 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1.5 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, now add 1 cup non-sour curd, followed by half a cup of cooking cream. In case you want the gravy to be creamier, take 1 cup of cooking cream and half a cup of curd. Into this goes our previously prepared masala paste. Mix well and keep it marinated for at least 1.5 to 2 hours, or if possible, you may even marinate it overnight. Into the pan goes some sunflower oil. Here we will shallow fry the chicken. Slowly start adding marinated chicken pieces one by one into the pan. This is the leftover marinade. We will keep this aside for later use. Keep flipping the chicken pieces and let this cook for another 20 to 25 minutes or until the gravy has fully dried up and small brown color starts appearing on the chicken pieces. Now we will take the chicken pieces out and keep it aside. Once this is done, almost 95% of our preparation is over. Into the pan, add the leftover marinade. Here I am adding half a cup of water, and after some time I have added another half a cup, so totally 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix and add our shallow fried chicken pieces. Here I have added the other half cup of water that I had mentioned earlier. Keeping the flame low, cook this for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the gravy is completely done. Since we have added cashew nut paste in the masala, This gravy has a tendency to stick to the bottom, so keep moving the ladle every now and then. Now the gravy is done and we will switch the flame off. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.